Hey guys, I'm Taylor from the Qube Money team, and today I'm going to teach you how to incinerate debt. Alright, so how are we going to do this? Well, step one is to keep your bellies fed and keep the heat on, right? Paying off debt doesn't stop everything else from happening in your budget. We can't have you going homeless while trying to pay off your student loans. And while you can sleep with your thermostat set to 55, trust me, I have done this, there's a better way. So before you start throwing money at your debts, make sure that your essentials are taken care of. This means things like your rent, your mortgage, your groceries, utilities, and making sure that the minimum payments are still getting paid on your debts. We don't want any additional fees or penalties to send you further into the pit. Step two. Next up is to budget for your expenses that don't occur every month. So we're talking car repairs, holidays, health stuff. These things may not happen every month, but budgeting for them monthly will put you in a good place for when they do occur. Because here's the truth, if you don't do this and these expenses happen, take a guess at what you're gonna do. You're gonna reach for that credit card and you're gonna get thrown back into the cycle you're trying to get out of in the first place. So don't skip these steps. All right, step three is to review your budget and then do it again. So by this step, you've taken a look at your budget and allocated your money. And hey, maybe this is the first time that you've sat down and done this. And if this is you, great job. You're already ahead of the game, seriously, regardless of how much money you have or how much debt you have. A written budget is the foundation for living a debt-free life. Now, let's say you've done steps 1 and 2, but you don't have any money left for your debt. What do you do now? Well, I would challenge you to really evaluate your expenses. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or can I shrink this expense down a little? A lot of little tweaks can create a big change. But let's say that that's still not enough. Well, maybe you need to take a look at your income versus your expenses. If you really want your debt gone, you need to get intense. Maybe you pick up a couple extra hours on the weekend, or perhaps you get a second job. The great thing about debt is that it's pretty basic math. You just have to make sure you're inputting the correct numbers. Alright guys, that's it for this first video. Tune in next week where I'll be talking about getting the correct mindset to make this next move a lasting one. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for all the latest updates with Qube Money.